VCs love to invest in the business model which are customer centric. And what do we mean by customer centric? A customer has to pay for the services that you've rendered when the customers of our customer start clapping for them. That means there is no upfront payment or payout to be linked for a customer to use your services. That is a customer-centric business model. And how do we define in the world of software? We call it as software as a service. And you might have heard a terminology called SaaS businesses is what VCs are investing these days. What's the beauty about SaaS? SaaS is that instead of you buying a license, see, until recently, we used to buy the Microsoft license. That Microsoft Office license was bought and it was upgraded for a year or two. And after that, you have to just live with it on your laptop, maybe with an old version until the life of that particular laptop. Whereas today, the option is given to you that can you take a Microsoft license on an annual renewal basis or a monthly payment basis. The moment you take it on a monthly payment basis and you have the option to discontinue at any point in time, this is a customer-centric model. If I'm not happy, I should be able to disconnect your services and stop paying for those services. The world is going to move towards customer pays only when the services are continuing to be to their satisfaction. In the SaaS model, we pay advance payments for a month or a 3 months or 1 year. What is the difference between this model and the earlier model where we used to sell a particular product or a license to a particular customer, and what used to be our attitude? Teri galiyon mein na aayenge kabhi. You know, once I've sold the product, I won't even look towards your street. That used to be the attitude of most of the earlier old age business models. Even high-end cars like Mercedes, etc., these days are giving an option that you sign up for 3 years on a monthly payment, do not need to own the car. We will upgrade the car every 3 years for you. You're always on the best product. You know, similar things will happen on a mobile, on a laptop. In the next decade, we will stop buying any product. We will only look for services that are offered by that, and the SLAs are being met by you, and then pay for those services. In this case, we are happier as VCs that you pay advance payment, you make advance payment before the services are rendered to you. And we are happier that our startup cannot cheat us by showing dummy numbers or one-time numbers. It is only consistent revenue and repeat customers is what we value. And hence we give higher value to the SaaS businesses.